Okay, I don't know how well you can hear this, but my washer is making a beat. It's not just a rhythm. It's a beat. Like, how's it doing that? I want to open it up and find out, but I don't want to break the pattern at the same time. I would understand if it was just like if it was just like quarter notes with rests in between, but it's doing triplets. Okay, I'm just gonna let this run for another minute. Oh, is it done? Oh, it's done. What happened, Lars Ulrich? Or Ulrich? Whoop. Ow, fuck. It's trying to take my Xbox mic. Stay open. Okay. What do we have in here? What is this? Sheets and a bathroom mat. Like, it was just going like, goo. And it sounded like someone was just like raping it, or somebody was having like really, really rough sex. So I took this piece and like I just moved it. I just like switched some shit around and just made it so like that was on one side and a lot of more clothes were on the other side. Yeah, that's my controller with the chat pad, by the way. But yeah, I was playing Xbox and I was like, wait a second, that's not the game making those noises. Alright, whatever. Back to gaming.